Today I'm about making me some meat chopping blocks.
These are from the mango tree, and I've heard that mango wood is best wood in making a meat block. If you're interested in getting your hands on one of these, call the number on your screen, 876-897-8879 Daniel Marshall.
To share and subscribe.
Alright then, okay my people, so the asking price that we're asking for these mango meat chopping block is 1,500 Jamaican dollars, 2,000 Jamaican dollars, and 2,500. See, not too expensive. See, just make sure to hit me up the number on your screen. See, if you know the area, or even if you need it to ship it overseas, make sure you gonna pay the shipping cost. You understand me? I say, yeah, however you want it. You understand me? It's not a problem. So we go through the gap and ship it to you through the mail or wherever how you choose it, sent to you. Saying, yeah. So the number is 876-897-8879. See, bless up.